ओके सो हरलीन जी पहले तो वेलकम टू नंदी IVF। तो सब तो पहला मैं थोड़े तो लो ए सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ कि यहाँ पर हाउ इज़ योर फीलिंग लाइक इट्स ऑल अबाउट कि एक तो ये होता है कि आप दिमाग से आंसर देते हो, अभी मैं आप चाहती हूँ कि आपके इमोशंस कैसे हैं, आपकी फीलिंग्स कैसी हैं?
I mean, it is beautiful.
ब्यूटिफुल।
Huh. Because we were trying for a very long time.
ओके हाउ मच लॉन्ग?
It's almost been 8 years we got married, but
Oh.
8 years and we were not very, I wasn't very keen on having a child for next 5 years because
Okay.
we wanted to take some time for ourselves. But
Yeah.
then for past 4-5 years, we've tried a lot.
You tried a lot
Yeah.
but it didn't work out so
Yeah.
so
So this is like the cute happiness we've got.
cute happiness that you have got. ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਦੱਸੋ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਸਵਾਲ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਕਿ you know if you talk about ki other centers and if you compare it with Nandi IVF, so what is the difference between that?
So to be honest, we
Hit the
did
camera.
our survey, our
Due
checking all
diligence.
the due diligence and doing all the search कि कौन से centers available हैं. So Nandi IVF also came as a recommendation from our urologist.
Acha.
Right? He's also very good doctor.
Neurologist.
So he recommended us and we checked it out and we saw some reviews online. And then we had a one-on-one consult with ma'am.
अच्छा।
So she explained very well. पूरा प्रोसेस उन्होंने अच्छे से समझाया कि हाँ जी
अच्छा।
कैसे होता है,
हाँ
क्या
जी।
होता है, क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हैं, ठीक है, कि बाकी IVF सेंटर और कैसे करते हैं, हम कैसे करते हैं, हम ऐसा क्यों करते हैं एंड एवरीथिंग. सो इट केम आउट वेरी वेल टू अस, वी अंडरस्टूड द प्रोसेस और फिर हमें लगा कि यार ठीक है, दिस इज समवेयर आई थिंक वी शुड ट्राई एटलीस्ट
You
वंस.
should try and definitely you tried and you got the very good result.
डेफिनेटली.
है ना?
Yeah. First go.
तो मतलब ਹੁਣ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਯੂ نو ਮਿਥਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂ نو ਹਮਾਰੇ ਜੋ ਬੜੇ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗ ਹੋਤੇ हैं they always say ਕਿ ਇਹ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ, ਉੱਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ, ਇਹ ਵਹਿਮ ਉਹ ਵਹਿਮ, तो ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵਹਿਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ
ਨਹੀਂ, ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰੈਸ ਕਰ ਗਈ.
ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰੈਸ ਕਰ
ਰਾਈਟ, ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈਗੀ ਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ. ਨਾਓ देयर इज नॉलेज,
ਹਾਂ
right, and I think knowledge is power and that power is being used right efficiently and results are coming out.
ਹਾਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਨੇ ਇੰਨੀ ਤਰੱਕੀ ਕਰ ਲਈ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਬੇਬੀ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ. That's great. So now it's very good for the late marriages.
Yeah, I would say that.
It's a very good option for them. Yeah.
right.
It is.
और कुछ अगर आप बताना चाहोगे नंदी IVF के बारे में, और if anything you want to say about the staff, about
Yeah,
the
I think we think that staff is also very very cooperative. बहुत ज़्यादा they are very
Very
friendly,
supportive.
very supportive.
I've had like an amazing time here. Every time I came for an appointment, I had my love sessions. So there was nothing that you're going there and then you have this thing in your mind that something would go wrong,
Anxiety
or
or-
anxiety is always there.
exactly you
But-
feel anxious with
Yeah,
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ
yeah,
यार what
कि-
will happen next
क्या करोगे भैया, अब तुम वहाँ जा रहे हो, what is next, what is coming your way?
because you cannot trust.
हाँ,
what
you
the
can't
point,
put your
yeah.
trust on people around you. So this is something which is very close to your heart, and you only go for it like once or twice or thrice. You cannot go for again, because if once it does not work out for you, the trauma that comes with it is
हाँ.
very bad.
very bad.
Yeah.
because
But-
after so many years you एक उम्मीद ਤੁਹਾਡੇ
हाँ.
ਅੰਦਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ यार
कि
you will
वो
get
होना
that.
चाहिए
हाँ.
कि हुणते होए
सही
and
है।
when that doesn't happen, no, the thing that takes away is your confidence.
Confidence.
It goes away with
हाँ.
time.
But you are confident with Nandi IVF.
Yes, I'm very confident with Nandi because I think I was too scared for this. We've had that word and I told him that I'm scared to go try something that is, I've heard from people, I've seen the results also. So yeah, but then the staff is amazing here. Dr. Payal Bajaj ma'am, she is amazing. She would be there with you on every step.
Every step.
Yeah, she'll handhold you through all the process. So would Vinita and everybody else here. So I have loved it. It came as a recommendation. I had my inhibitions about it, but then it went way smoother than
Way smoother than
I
you
expected. No hiccups, nothing. Amazing.
It's not that कि इन्होंने मतलब they didn't tell us कि probability क्या है. We had that in mindset कि because she clearly explained मतलब people many centers may also say like that कि
कि आपको
100%
first में हो
result है
जाएगा,
1 में हो
100%
जाएगा
में हो
and
जाएगा,
all.
ये
But
है,
she
वो
told
है.
us the
But
probability.
she gave us,
Explained
you know,
everything.
she gave us the reality.
हाँ.
Reality.
Yeah, she did not sugarcoat it. She did not say कि नहीं
Yeah.
ऐसे नहीं वैसे नहीं ऐसे नहीं. But she gave us कि भाई ये तुम्हारी probability है because there are a lot of factors to be considered in your case, and every case is different. So I think that was an eye opener, and then you know there was clarity of how to go about it, and I've loved it here.
So far, what do you want to say about the same IVF? Is it harmful or
It's not.
ये कहना चाहते हो कि
It's not harmful. अगर आपने अपनी लाइफ में अगर आप प्लान कर रहे हो बच्चा and you've gone through all that trouble, you've you know seen, you've tried all the ways. मतलब आपने ये
You
भी ट्राई
get
कर लिया.
disappointed at a
मतलब
point,
आपने
है ना?
नेचुरल आप इतने टाइम से ट्राई कर रहे हो, आपने IUI ट्राई कर लिया, आपने कुछ और रास्ता ट्राई कर लिया. If it is not working out for you, do not hesitate.
Do not hesitate. True.
Do not lose your hope. Do not lose your confidence. There's nothing wrong with it. It is just because हम लोग के ऊपर फैमिली प्रेशर होता है तो we start blaming ourselves or we blaming the other
और फिर
half.
लोग जो
हाँ
लेबर्स होते हैं आसपास
हाँ,
के लोग
उनका भी होता है stress.
कमेंटिंग
हाँ तो वो
इतने साल हो गए बच्चा नहीं हुआ
तो
Kind
वही
of that.
चीज है कि just forget about all that.
Forget about
लोग हैं, लोग बोलेंगे क्योंकि सोसाइटी.
exactly.
There is no point in you know demeaning yourself or putting yourself in a place where it gets dark for you. Going into depression कोई जरूरत नहीं है भैया.
सही.
IVF का रास्ता है, अपना लो, खुश रहोगे. एक ट्राई में नहीं आएगा, दूसरे में आता. But just do not lose your hope. Do not lose your confidence. Do not let yourself get into that black light or depression. You know we're not able to have it
Yeah.
because now options are open for you.
Now
So,
options are
yeah.
open. So now
So now-
in this era, in this world, century जो चल रहा है, उसमें everything is possible.
हाँ, अब
this
थोड़े
is a
time
great
में
example.
This is a great example.
What do you want to say? Any 3 words about Dr. Payal and about Nandi IVF?
Payal Bajaj ma'am, I would say amazing, helping, and you know, miracle and understanding.
true, huh.
Yeah, it's a dream come true for us.
Dream come true.
And for Nandi also, it came as a recommendation from my doctor, as he's told you. But then he's an amazing doctor too. But Nandi has given me that confidence कि भैया कुछ गलत नहीं है, सब ठीक. There's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong in the relationship. There's nothing that can you know make you step back. That is the happiness that I have with her.
Wow. So please take care of her. And I hope she grows like you in future, very confident, just like you. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you
Nice
for having
meeting you.
us. Thank you.
Thanks, mom.